Fulani herdsmen don't kill students for Anambra State. Oh, my people, almost they thought to now. Everybody they helter skelter. Some carry bag, some don't even carry anything. You know where you see danger. Some people still they remember their bags. I don't know how come, but because I say I go bring a corner side. Can't see how people they run. Hey, they say the thing happened during an attack for these people hostel, and in case you don't know the school now, Odumegu Ojukwu University, Anambra State. Now there the thing shele. So I beg, I don't bring a call aside. Join me, make we watch the video.
I need to say with children this.
You see, say no be joke. You see, say no be joke. People don't go confirm her. People have gone to confirm. You can see it. It's no longer safe. It's no longer safe. Please, those that are staying in junction, please find a place and relocate. Find a place and relocate.
Jesus, see them move.
Omo, this thing look like joke until it happen for una koro I before una no say na real, but I no pray say it go happen to una. Amen. Yes, because this is something very terrible. I don't even wish for anybody as it be like this. Me una no experience and biko. See how people they run. No, una see those ones where even lie down for ground. Those ones where they already don't kill. Ah, God. When I dey think of the fact alone, say Anambra Commissioner of Police na Fulani person, it dey make me fear. Because I dey wonder whether truly are we safe or we are not safe. Who can they protect us now? Who can they protect us? Because now my people, we don't even know. Me, I don't trust anybody. Who knows? I don't talk anything, but I don't trust anybody. Anything is possible. Buhari government, na shame to democracy. Hey! Democracy. Una dey far from democracy. Anything will happen for Nigeria now unknown. No, check out. Gunmen unknown. Rapists unknown. The kidnappers unknown. Everything now unknown. Even when they know, they go tell us unknown. May you people continue to be unknown. No? Continue. Now go they see the thing, but now go can't give her another name. Can't they make us feel like say, okay, you people are innocent or this one. I beg. My question now be say, I beg go, is it possible make the youth start a fight? Like, you don't understand? May they stand up for themselves. Now a question I ask, is it possible? You understand? Because these people they don't too take us for granted. And you know what they think? Maybe the more they feel say with they fear, the more they come. The more they come. And normally this is not even supposed to reach this level. But because they get upper hand, they get people where they give them go ahead. You understand? Now why you see say they overdo the whole matter. So now we never feel fight back. They get support. They provide them weapons. They provide everything. So what we want do? Now knife and spoon we won't use come outside. Say we dey fight. I know say no dey easy my people, but be cool. It is very, very important. We have to see. It's time for the youth to strategize. It's time for the youth to, you understand? I beg, we not fit just sit down, they cross hands. Our people just they die anyhow. And as all this thing they happen, body they asoroko, they chew chicken, they watch, they do like say no hear this one, you enter here, you come up for this other side. I don't understand how people they find it difficult to see say na their fellow human being they key. Like they derive joy. E get this thing. I don't know whether na training where they train these people. I be they chop something, I be they drink something, but that thing strong. You they take your fellow human being life. You know they shake. You know understand nothing they move you. You just dey like saying na water they drink. Hey. For una whenever una wait they wait until the end of the world before una go see devil. This is it oh. There's no other devil you want to see. The only difference between these ones one that they see now and the head pata be say that one get horn according to it how they describe her. This is it. In actions you've seen it. So which other devil you dey find? Hey! God, I beg. Charlie, if see the thought of the number of people dying. Now waiting even they make me like this. You don't understand. Every day people they die. As me and you sit down now. No, those dead body will not see for ground. If I know the mistake now like 9. When do these things go finish now? When person go feel just dey free for this Nigeria, this small country self, I not just understand. I bet community leaders, it's time for you people to do something. Community leaders, mobilize your youths. I don't even know. See, mobilize them so that they go fit defend their land from these demons which just they appear and disappear because it's very, very important. But the only thing now be weapons because we know if we just I see. Una no go blame me. I dey find solution left and right. Anyway, where I fit just find solution. Now I dey think of wetin we fit do. I beg, if you know say they watch me now, you get family members, you get friends for Anambra, call them now. Check up on them. Oh. If it's possible, let them relocate. Una see how people they run, they carry bag and baggages. Very, very important. If they need to relocate, let them relocate. It is necessary before you go here say person don't die. Very, very important. And I beg anybody will lose person during this period because my condolences. I'm very, very sorry. This one, nothing we fit do only to protect the remaining ones we will get. So now why una need una need look for solution for all this kind of thing because if you think of anything, drop it for that comment section and share this video. It is very, very important. Make sure you click on that notification bell too so that anytime when we drop it, you will be the first person we go get the matter. Stay tuned for our next story.